Every day our skin is exposed to many factors that can weaken, affect its beauty, and gradually deteriorate your health. Today, we will tell us to rejuvenate your face washed. Almost always, wash your face in the morning and evening helps us maintain a clean and moisturized skin, because with this routine hygiene and beauty remove excess fat. In the market, there are products dedicated to this purpose, but often do not get the desired results. Unfortunately, they also contain harmful chemicals and it could cost us a penny. It is for this reason that we bring you a completely safe and efficient home remedy that will help solve health problems in your skin and make you look younger in no time. Believe it or not, this is a powerful blend capable of erasing scars, age spots and treat acne. Sodium bicarbonate is deodorant, excellent exfoliating, whitening to the teeth and regulates the pH of the skin. Meanwhile, coconut oil nourishes and thanks to its high healing power, combat bacteria that could cause huge pimples. Moreover, it is so effective that it can even be used as a mouthwash. But to see amazing results in your face just have to combine these two ingredients. How do I use it? The amount of baking soda and coconut oil to use depends on your skin type. For example, if your skin is oily, use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil mixed with 1 tablespoon of baking soda in equal parts. If your skin is dry or normal, just use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with half a teaspoon of bicarbonate, then you can vary the amount, according to the results. Apply this remedy once a week, but if your skin is too oily, use it twice a week.